In today's interconnected world, U.S. technology is playing a transformative role in reshaping economies, societies, and infrastructure across Southeast Asia. Malaysia and Singapore in particular are at the forefront of this digital revolution, with U.S. tech giants driving innovations that are improving lives, boosting economic growth, and creating smarter cities. From cutting-edge data centers to AI-powered healthcare solutions, U.S. technology is leaving a lasting impact on these nations. In this video, we'll explore 10 powerful ways that U.S. tech is shaping the future of Malaysia and Singapore. But before we dive in, please subscribe so you won't miss any future updates. With that said, let's dive in. Number 1. Data center investments. U.S. tech giants like Google and Amazon Web Services, AWS, have established large data centers in Singapore, with investments exceeding $12 billion. These data centers play a critical role in supporting cloud computing and digital services, not just for local businesses, but also for international companies operating in Southeast Asia. This infrastructure enables faster and more reliable digital services, powering the region's rapidly growing e-commerce and digital economy. In Malaysia, AWS and Google are expanding their presence to support local businesses in their digital transformation journeys. Number 2. Boosting digital economy growth. The digital economy in Malaysia and Singapore is projected to grow by 30% by 2025. Largely driven by innovations from U.S. tech companies, platforms like PayPal, Stripe, and Google Pay have revolutionized online payments, while Amazon and Microsoft have enabled the growth of e-commerce and cloud-based business solutions. In Malaysia, initiatives like the Malaysia Digital Economy Blueprint are leveraging U.S. technology to empower businesses, while Singapore's Smart Nation initiative is driven by partnerships with U.S. firms to create a seamless, digitally enabled environment. Number 3. Job creation. In the tech sector, U.S. tech companies have become major employers in Southeast Asia, particularly in Singapore, where firms like Facebook, Google, and Microsoft have created over 5,000 direct jobs. These jobs are focused on high-growth areas such as software engineering, AI research, data science, and cybersecurity. In Malaysia, U.S. companies are partnering with government initiatives to upskill the local workforce, preparing Malaysians for jobs in the fast-evolving tech sector. This influx of jobs is also encouraging the development of local talent and fostering innovation within the region. Number 4. Expanding 5G connectivity. Both Malaysia and Singapore are at the forefront of 5G deployment, thanks to collaboration with U.S. tech companies like Qualcomm and Cisco. In Singapore, the rollout of 5G is already transforming industries, enabling innovations like autonomous vehicles, smart factories, and remote healthcare services. In Malaysia, the government has partnered with U.S. companies to enhance digital connectivity, particularly in rural areas. This next-generation network will be essential for the future of digital businesses, real-time data transfer, and the development of smart cities. Number 5. Smart city development. Singapore has long been a leader in smart city innovation, with its Smart Nation program showcasing how technology can improve urban living. U.S. companies like IBM and Cisco have provided the technology to create AI-driven traffic management systems, smart energy grids, and real-time public safety solutions. Malaysia is following suit, with cities like Kuala Lumpur and Iskandar adopting similar systems. These technologies help optimize public services, reduce traffic congestion, and improve energy efficiency, making cities more sustainable and livable. Number 6. Advancing healthcare through telemedicine and AI. Healthcare is undergoing a transformation in Malaysia and Singapore, largely due to innovations from U.S. companies. Telemedicine platforms developed by companies like Teladoc and Doctor on Demand are becoming increasingly popular, especially post-pandemic, allowing patients to consult doctors remotely. AI-driven tools from U.S. firms are also improving diagnostics and personalized medicine, leading to better healthcare outcomes. In Singapore, AI tools are helping doctors make more accurate diagnoses, while in Malaysia, remote healthcare is expanding access to medical services, especially in underserved rural areas. Number 7. Renewable energy and sustainability. U.S. technology is driving sustainability initiatives in both countries, particularly through innovations in renewable energy. In Singapore, Tesla is helping promote the adoption of electric vehicles, EVs, and building charging infrastructure to support their growth. The Singaporean government is working closely with U.S. companies to achieve its target of sourcing 50% of its energy from renewable sources by 2030. In Malaysia, companies like SunPower are developing solar energy projects, which help reduce the country's dependence on fossil fuels and move toward greener, more sustainable energy sources. Number 8. Education and digital learning platforms. U.S. education technology platforms like Google Classroom, Coursera, and Khan Academy have been integrated into the education systems of both Malaysia and Singapore. These platforms provide students with access to global knowledge and specialized courses in fields like coding, AI, and data science. For example, Google's Coding for Kids program helps children in Malaysia and Singapore develop essential digital skills. By democratizing access to quality education, these platforms are preparing the workforce of tomorrow to meet the demands of a tech-driven future. Number 9. Supporting local startups and entrepreneurs. U.S. venture capital, VC firms have invested over $400 million in Southeast Asia's startups, many of which are based in Malaysia and Singapore. These investments, particularly in fintech, AI, and e-commerce startups, are helping local entrepreneurs scale their businesses and compete on a global stage. Singapore has become a hub for tech startups, with U.S. companies providing both capital and mentorship. Similarly, Malaysia is seeing an increase in tech startups as the country focuses on developing its digital economy. Number 10. Enhancing public safety and security. U.S. tech companies are also playing a role in improving public safety and security in Malaysia and Singapore. AI-powered surveillance systems and cybersecurity solutions from companies like Microsoft and IBM are being implemented to monitor and protect critical infrastructure. Singapore has adopted AI-enhanced public safety systems to predict and respond to emergencies more efficiently, while Malaysia is focusing on building its cybersecurity capabilities to protect against rising cyber threats. These technologies ensure that as both countries modernize, they remain safe and secure. Conclusion: U.S. technology is shaping the future of Malaysia and Singapore in profound ways, from improving infrastructure and creating jobs to advancing healthcare and education. By collaborating with U.S. tech giants, both nations are positioning themselves as leaders in Southeast Asia's digital transformation. As these innovations continue to evolve, Malaysia and Singapore will benefit from enhanced economic growth, smarter cities, and a more connected and sustainable future.